this is Niall Tonnant here. It's another video. This time we'll be doing Swagway. Now, what should we do? Driving the Swagway. Summer. We have now broke up from school. It's pretty cool. Yeah, go on here. So yeah, as you can see, on the Swagway, going home now. So yeah, guess that brings us to the end of the video. We are gonna end shortly, so just remember to smash that like button and subscribe. And remember to subscribe to those channels: Mini Metro, Wizzy Gamer, and Smartish Creeper. So bye.